How's it, creatives? Today we're going to delve into the concept of space and design and uncover the secrets of margin, spacing and white space. Join us on this journey as we learn how these elements can transform your designs into captivating works of art that anyone can appreciate. When it comes to design, space is more than just emptiness. It's a powerful tool that helps us create balance, clarity and visual harmony. Let's start by understanding the importance of margin, the breathing room around elements within a design. Margin acts as a frame, providing a sense of organization and allowing elements to stand out. Just like the borders around a beautiful painting, margin gives you design room to breathe, ensuring that each element has its own space to shine. Spacing, on the other hand, refers to the intentional distance between elements within a design. It's all about finding the right balance between proximity and separation. Think of it as the rhythm that guides the viewer's eyes and enhances the overall user experience. By carefully considering spacing, we can create designs that are easy to navigate and understand. Whether it is spacing between paragraphs in a website or the padding around the buttons on an app, these subtle adjustments can make a significant difference in how users interact with your design. Now, let's talk about white space. The areas of your design that are intentionally left empty. Don't let the term fool you. White space doesn't have to be white, and it doesn't mean wasted space. In fact, it's quite the opposite. White space provides visual clarity and allows the viewer's attention to focus on the key elements of your design. Just like well-composed photography, white space creates balance and directs the viewer's gaze, making your design more engaging and inviting. So, how can you make the most of these design elements in your projects? Start by considering the purpose and content of your design. Identify areas where margin, spacing and white space can be applied to enhance the overall visual impact. We call it hierarchy. Experiment with different layouts and compositions, giving your design room to breathe and allowing elements to interact harmoniously. Remember, simplicity is key. Avoid clutter and embrace the power of space to create designs that are both aesthetically pleasing and user-friendly. As we conclude our exploration of space in design, we hope you've gained a deeper understanding of how margin, spacing and white space can transform your creation. By harnessing the power of these elements, you can elevate your designs to a whole new level, ensuring that they can resonate with and captivate your audience. So go ahead and embrace the art of margin, spacing and white space. Let these design elements be your guiding stars as you embark on your creative journey. The possibilities are endless and we can't wait to see what you'll create. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more design inspiration. Remember, space is your ally in design. Until next time, keep exploring, creating.